Yes, sir.
So spotting error. The first question, okay, instead of taking in the other way, I have directly taken, even the explanation is given here. We'll teach you both. See, what's the question is given? Had the memorandum been clearer, this is A, as the slash it separates, right? The committee might have postponed or even cancelled the meeting for further deliberation. Now, so there are A, B, C, and D. They will provide certain sentence and they may ask you to find out the error in all, like out of four, in which one you have the error. Getting the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we go. Had the memorandum. So for such questions, any time if it starts with had, I repeat, if a sentence starts with had, that is known as inversion. That is how it goes. Do you remember tenses, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Tenses.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Had plus subject plus V3. Been is V3. So this is how the syntax it has to follow. After that,
Yes, sir.
committee, okay, subject, been clear. Might. So even you can use would or could or might or should. This is the syntax. Then followed by have plus V3. Postponed is also V3. After that, or even cancel. Here is the glitch. Why? Because this even is connected to this. Either postponed or even cancelled it has to be, but they have written only cancel. So what is the mistake here? This one. This should not be V1. It has to be V3. And V3 is nothing but cancelled. So error
Yes, sir.
is in option C.
See.
Now understood?
Yes, sir.
Shiraj, clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever it starts with had, always do check. Had plus subject plus V3, then followed by subject plus either it can be, sometimes they may write would also. Would is also correct. Could is also correct. Should is also correct. But followed by that, you have to have plus V3. But here or is added. That's why even second V3 also we require. If there is no or, then perfectly the sentence would be correct. Clear now?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, there is one more conditional statement you may find. With if also they say, if I had so much money, I would have helped everyone. Have you heard such sentences? Conditional statements, we say. If I had uh, 5 Fortuners, I would have been to like wherever it is or something. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So both the things you need to remember. Had plus subject plus V3, this is one. This is not there, but still in case in future, if you find in any spotting error, you need to remember it. Clear? So what is the answer? Cancelled. This one.
Cancel.
Due to parallelism, as we say. Postponed means here also cancelled. First one is clear? Yes, now say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next one. What is the sentence? If the policy were to be implemented nationwide, it would necessitate that every regional office conducts a comprehensive audit within a period of 6 months. So let's say in case if if we are not aware of the rules, how to find out the error? Directly we can say, yeah, it's obviously correct. But you need to remember one thing. Just now in the previous one we have seen if plus subject plus had or even it can be were. So here we have if the policy, whenever it starts with if, this is suppositional. Okay, supposing if the policies were to be implemented nationwide, it would necessitate, getting the point, that every
Yes, sir.
regional office conducts. So whenever you find with if, it is perfectly correct. Like if you may remember, If I were a king, I would help everyone. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
that May might I taught you. Monologues there.
Yes, sir.
If I were the prime minister, I would help everyone.
Yes.
I would solve the
Yes.
problem of poverty. So till here it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
But after this, the actual problem comes. That is, whenever after would, if you find the words like necessitate, repeat, if you find necessitate, recommend, suggest, or demand, always use V1. But here it is not V1, it is V1 plus S or ES, right? So you have to use V1. Getting the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
should not be conducts, it has to be conduct. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
That actually with regional office singular, we have to use conducts. But due to this necessitate, we have to follow rule of V1. That is, regional office conduct a comprehensive audit within a period of 6 months. Clear now? Yes, no, say
Yes,
something.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to use conduct here. Shall we go ahead? Both of you? Next. This is another sentence. Being largely ignored in the early discussions, the revised charter was again subjected to reviews by external. You might be wondering, sir, why, sir, this many big you are giving, this many difficult, complex? No. Why? The reason is so simple. Because for the easy one, easily you can find out. But TCS is going to give you 7 LPS, so it will not provide some easy things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is better to learn the difficult one. So to reviews by external experts who had earlier flagged similar inconsistencies. So here, before getting into this, look here. If any sentence starts with being, like this one, being honest, he was admired. So whenever I use being, I have to talk only about this subject. Getting the point,
Yes,
everyone?
sir. Yes,
Being
sir.
honest, he was admired. It means this being is talking about this person.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But here in the second one, being an orphan, I admitted. So being an orphan, I admitted. It means this being is not talking about this person. It is talking about other person. Getting the second scenario?
Yes, sir.
Manohar Shiraj.
Yes, sir.
So here is the answer. See, if this being is talking about the immediate first subject, then nothing to add here. But if this being is going to talk about, is not going to talk about this subject, then this one or this orphan one has to be added here, like he being an orphan. So this he has to be added. He or whatever here. If it is her, then you have to add she being. Getting the point, everyone? Yes, no, say something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Him into
Could you
an
repeat once again, sir?
orphanage. See, let me erase this. If, let's say, if I am going to use being, right?
Yes, sir.
After being, if the next word is talking about the first subject, then no need to add
Yes, sir.
anything here at the beginning.
Yes, sir.
But after being, if I am going to use a word and if it is not talking about the immediate first subject, then I have to add here he or she according to this person. Now understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Understood.
He
Yes,
is
I understand, sir.
added. Okay. So this is known as it is added due to misplaced subject. Actually, this I should be replaced with he, but it is not used. That's why we are using he. In order to get clarity, he being an orphan, I admitted him into an orphanage. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, say something.
Clear, sir.
Here, see, being a hot day, we could not go out. Earlier this it was not there. Being a hot day. Hot day is not related to we, yes or no? Hot day is talking about we? No. It is talking about outside. That's why we have to use it. Getting some clarity, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I repeat once again. After being, if the next word is going to talk about the immediate subject, then no need to use anything like this one.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, not this,
Understood, sir.
this one. But after being, if the immediate subject is talking about something other than this, then you have to add it or he according to the next sentence. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, no, say something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Understood, sir.
Okay, good. Next. What he regretted the most was not the outcome of the negotiation, but that he had failed communicating his intent clearly at the outset. Now, so did you understand the meaning? What he regretted the most was not the outcome, but what he regretted, he had regretted that he had failed communicating his intent. See, sometimes even without knowing the grammar rule, you can figure out where is the mistake. Why? Because while reading, we can find there is something which is missing. See, what he regretted the most was not the outcome of the negotiation, but that he had failed to communicate. Not communicating. Communicating is not suitable, right? Failed to communicate his intent clearly at the outset. Clear now? One more
Yes, sir.
thing that you have to remember, not only by reading, in case if you feel, sir, what if I am unable to find? So always remember, whenever you use a word failed, after failed, always use infinitive. Infinitive means 2 plus V1. Clear now? Whenever, like,
Yes,
see, what he regretted the most was not the outcome. Sentence is correct. But whenever you find this word but sorry failed, you have to use failed plus
we
infinitive,
want
that is failed plus 2 plus
communicate.
v1. Clear? Yes, no, say something.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Next, this is just now I told had he. Do you remember first question we have solved?
हाँ,
Had. Okay. So are you able to find out? Had he not deferred, deferred means delayed, had he not delayed the proposal for weeks, the board would have, see, had plus subject plus V3. Is it following? Yes or no? Yes, Shivraj, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Had plus subject plus V3. Defer the proposal for weeks.
Yes, sir.
The board subject plus would, as I told, would plus have plus V3. Had is V3 only. Had a better
Yes, sir.
chance to evaluating. This is wrong. To
Well,
evaluating, we don't use. To evaluate, very nice. Okay. Whenever you use to, you have to use only V1. You should not use ing form. Getting the point? To
yes, sir.
evaluate the project's long-term viability before the deadline lapse. So whenever you want to tell some purpose, see, the board would have had a better chance. If you want to tell any purpose, you have to remember either you have to use the preposition for or either you have to use 2 plus V1. So here 2 plus ing, no, it is V1 we have to use. Clear? So answer is evaluate.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sure. Next. Next is the HR had made the assistant resubmitting all the documentation after discovering a discrepancy in the date of joining for 3 contractual employees. So here, whenever you find there is something called causative verb. Causative verb means if you are making the other person to do. So this verb made, for example, I made him cry. So who is making? I am. So the person who is making is known as causative verb. The verb related. Getting the point? Let me. Then we'll go to that. I made him cry. Everyone understood this sentence?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is subject here? I. What is verb?
I
Made.
made.
Made is causative, causing, cause, reason.
Yes, sir.
Causative verb. Him is object. And after object, again
Yes.
what I'm using? V1. So here
V1.
also the HR made. Can you see? Subject plus causative verb plus object. But here it is V1. Is it V1? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, it is
V4.
V4. So we have to
Yes, sir.
change this. What I have to write V1?
V1.
Resubmit.
Resubmit.
Now clear? Yes, no, say
Yes, sir.
something. Shuraj?
Yes, sir. There are some people around me, so that I
Oh,
can't
okay.
able to on mic if I on this.
Oh, okay, no worries, no worries. So today, we will wind up with our spotting error. Okay, then we'll see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, till here it is clear.
Clear.
Next is till here. Yeah, Manoj, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. Next is so intense. I repeat, so intense was the resistance that the proposal not only failed but also faced with widespread criticism across the institutional stakeholders. So here, whenever you find this is known as adverbial phrase. So intense is adverb. And with this, we have to use was. See, subject, verb, subject. Sorry, so verb, subject. Was the resistance that the proposal, whenever you use not only, always remember, whenever you use not only, you also have to use but also. So not only failed, what I'm using here? V3. So here also I have to use V3, but also not only దగ్గర V3 యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు బట్ ఆల్సో దగ్గర కూడా V3ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. Till here it is clear? But also faced
Clear.
widespread. So ఈ with అనేది ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది ఇక్కడ. In the point, it means in the option C, it is mistake. Faced widespread criticism, direct చాలు. But with
Yes, sir.
అనేది యూజ్ చేయొద్దు. Clear?
Got it.
Yes, no, say something. Yeah, Manoj. Clear?
Got it.
Next. If you do remember, if I were that situation, if I were, then I would same thing. See, if the allegations were substantiated and procedural lapses, look here, if the allegations were substantiated and still this sentence is continuing and lapses were proven, means something is missing. What is that? Were proven. Then the committee might have. Do you remember this? Should have, might
Yes,
have.
sir.
So this is correct. Reason to initiate an internal probe which never occurred. So here only there is mistake. That is were. Now able to understand? So
Yes,
if
sir.
I'm using here were, here also I have to use were. Clear?
Clear,
Yes.
sir.
No, say something. So if the allegations were substantiated and procedural lapses were proven, the committee might have had enough reason to initiate. So here you have to use were. Next. Shall we go ahead? Manoj?
Yes, sir. Oh,
No.
got
Whenever, yeah, whenever you start a sentence with little, see, little, did, not a word, seldom, never, hardly, no sooner, scarcely. If you are going to use search words, always do remember you have to follow this syntax. Did plus subject plus V1. Getting the point? Did plus subject plus V1. But here it is V1. No. What it is?
No. V3.
V2, V2. No new.
Okay.
So
Yes, sir.
little
Okay.
did the committee knew. Getting the point? That is wrong. Little did the
Yes, sir.
committee? No. Little did he call me. Sorry. Hardly. Sorry. No sooner he called me. Okay. About the hidden liabilities when it approved the merger in the last quarter or last quarter. Now you understood? Yes, no, say something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Clear? Okay. Next.
Clear.
It was the misalignment between. Whenever you use between, you always have to remember and should come. Between projected and actual data that cast doubt not only, see, not only I'm using here, not only on the calculation here, I'm using on the calculation here also on, but also assumptions that underlied. This is mistake actually. That underlay. Here always we have to use V1. If it is, they may also say like ran, they may give, but you have to go with run. Always do remember V1 has to be used. Clear?
Okay, sir. Clear.
Next other thing same, not only but also. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next is this. The reforms being recommended. Do you remember this being? After being. Okay. Being recommended by, oh, sorry. This is in passive. Being recommended by the panel are not only intended, V3, right? Intended to streamline
Yes, sir.
administrative function, but also here it is missing. See, here I am using V3, right? Here, am I using V3?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Addressing is
V4.
V3. Is
V4,
it
sir.
V3 or V4?
Addressing V4, sir.
V4, obviously. So whatever you use after not only, okay, same thing you have to use here also, but also to address or addressed you can use. So this is wrong. It means in this A, B, yeah, in the C it is wrong. Got it now? Yes, no, say something.
Got it, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This sentence. He has been to Italy, but he did not go to Rome. It is perfectly correct. Why? Because subject plus has plus V3 plus object. And after but, subject plus verb plus object. See, అతను ఇటలీలో ఉన్నాడు అంటే లివ్ చేశాడు, స్టే చేశాడు, కానీ అతను రోమ్కి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఓకే, పర్ఫెక్ట్లీ కరెక్ట్. Okay, he stayed, but he did not go. Anything wrong here? No.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Next, yes. Up. It is imperative. It is imperative that he understands the severity. Yeah, sure. Saying something?
No, sir. You can.
Yeah, understand
no,
the severity of the situation and that he makes a clear, concise, and decisive statement to the press. Next, whenever you find a sentence with it is imperative, always do remember it is known as mood related verb. It depends on mood. Imperative means something positive. So here actually with he always we have to use V1 plus S or ES. But Due to this mood verb, we have to use only V1. So actually this understands will become understand. Clear? Yes, no, say something.
Sir, could you repeat once again, sir?
See, whenever you find imperative, so it is imperative kind of sentence if it is starting. So it is known as mood verb, depending on the mood. So in such
Okay.
cases, you have to follow, even with he also, you have to use V1 only. Clear?
Okay.
Yes, no, say something.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So here mistake is understand. So instead of understands, what I have to write? Understand. Next. He denied to attend. Sorry, actually I have written the correct one. What it was is like, okay. He denied attending. Wait. He denied. Oh, sorry. Gerund, right? Correct one. So, what is gerund and what is infinitive? Let me say. Infinitive. Infinitive means 2 plus V1. Like to run, to go, to come. Getting the point? Everyone. And
Yes, sir.
gerund means anything which has ing, like running, coming, going, walking. Getting the point? Anything which has ing. Anything which has ing is gerund. So here, he denied. Whenever you use the word deny, like in case of admit, avoid, consider, deny, enjoy, finish, give up, keep, mind, resist. Always do remember you have to use gerund. Getting the point? He denied
Yes, sir.
attending the meeting, citing personal reasons. Citing means telling, giving personal reasons. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yes, no, say something. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Sure. Next, last second. These are 4, out of which you have to find which is correct. He did nothing but complain. He did nothing but to complain. He did nothing but complain, and he does nothing then complain. So always do remember, whenever we use nothing, always after nothing we have to use but. So last option is wrong. Why? Because it
Sir, could
is
you repeat once again, sir?
whenever we use nothing, after nothing, always we have to use nothing but. So here we are using
Sir.
nothing then. So this sentence is obviously wrong. Nothing but, then you have to use V1. But here it is not
Okay.
V1. Complaint. He did nothing but to complain. To is also we don't use. We use only directly verb. Right?
Yes,
So he
sir.
did nothing but
Yes.
complain. So answer is first one. Clear now?
First one. Yes, sir.
Yes, no, say something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last one. He suggested me to take a rest. Always do remember, with suggested, we don't use any preposition, no preposition. So this is obviously wrong. While speaking, we say, he suggested me to do this. No, that is wrong. He suggested that I take rest. This is also comes under that causative, not sorry, mood verb. So answer is, he suggested that I take rest, or I should take rest if it is. He suggested me that. Okay. Both have repeated. Okay, sir. Okay. Only one. He says suggested for me to take rest is wrong. So preposition you should not use. What you have to use? He suggested that I take the rest. That is correct. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So with this,
Clear.
we are done with our spotting error. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay.